Adom Hausik unemployed la Haibadi Thabak Pangdana Thabak Todana Ladiba Mui Amara Adom Hausik Thabak Gidarkar Labibara Leramgani Maramdi Sale Gidarkar Labanina Adom Hausik Purse Kudingmak Bag Kudingmak Hang to Matamda Masigi condition asya Yawirabara Adom Atuki Matik Lairabara Adom Hausik Phone da Facebook da Google da job vacancy near me Thiba Haubirabara Adom Hausik ima ipana asigumna ubiba hobiraklabara Adom Hausik kairo laikai nangna sanabana asigumna uba hobiraklabara adu erbidi nahak masigi nupa asigi condition si tado bu kuitrabani aduna adom miwangangnaba wathi warim suba wakai ngangnaba phone metana reels yengdana meme share tawdana matamdo manghalano nanado munna taro Ima International Consultancy na miyam da opportunities mayam ama puduna lakchari ahan ba job profile da barista gi oina eligibility criteria minimum 12 passed age 18 to 30 years fresher singsu apply to bayagani job location Pune Bangalore Chennai Hyderabad Mysore Mangalore ne chingbane benefits the provident fund ESIC coverage example oina maternity leave health and social coverage paid sick leave na chingbusu kudongchaba piri uniform amadi tickets su profile asigi oinadi company na provide tawri Anisuba job profile da security guards location na Bengaluru Hyderabad salary 19,000 plus EPF ESI asina chingbani duty hours na pung taragani thoi oigani hafta amada numit ama off pangani numit tarukni hafta amada thabak tawgani basic English amadi Hindi darkar lei sahina taragani pandagina kuntra fauba apply tawbi yagani Ahum suba job profile da fruits and vegetables packing ki damakta packers khara darkar lei Amazon company ke oigani salary in hand 18,000 amasung PF ESI ki benefits su phangbigani every month tha khuding ki ahan banumita salary phangani bus amasung chana thakna ba company na provide tawgani working hour pung nipan khaktamak oigani aduga 26 days working 4 week off oigani Atopa state ta chattuna thabak tawba matamda lonely khangdabagi awaba basic English amadi Hindi khangdaba singi damaktadi spoken English and communication skills training su consultancy asina provide tawbiri customer service excellence grooming and personality development amasung atai ahenba khudongchaba singsu piri Ahenba course in fast food chains program, hospitality and hotel management training sing panghanduna 100% job placement mumming leraba hotel sing da pire. Hena kupamarol gidamak 9366571081 da contact tawbiduna khangbiyo. Ima International Consultancy kay sampat wahingbam laikai MS Imphal LPG Gas Office Building 4th floor email imaconsultancy01@gmail.com da contact tawbirapayagani.